As the saying goes, where infrastructure goes, values follows. My name is Obed from Obed Homes. In this video, I want to keep you updated concerning the latest development about Lagos Calabar Coastal Road, or this time around at Osoroko in the ibeju-Lekki local government in Nigeria, just after Dangote Petrochemical Refinery, Lekki DC Port, and immediately after Dangote Fertilizer plant. This is where I'm giving you this update concerning Lagos Calabar Coastal Road. I want you to see what is happening, especially those of you in the diaspora. Well, if you are looking for a property along the coast, because as developments in this area keeps increasing, so also with prices of property in these axis. Already, some of the properties in these axis have started appreciating in value, and it will continue to increase. Are you looking for a property facing the Lagos Calabar Coastal Road with good title government allocation C of O? Please watch out for my update concerning the downtown Lagos Commercial City Phase 2. In a good location, and if you are of those who are looking for a short life service apartment not far from Lagos Calabar Coastal Road that you own for yourself and enjoy a rental income on a monthly basis, please reach out to me. Watch out for a video I'm going to make, but I want to show you this wonderful estate where you can own a short life service apartment and make a whole lot of money on a short life basis. So behind me is Perfection Estates at Osoroko. This is phase 1. Have houses for sale, a short life service apartment, just 1 bedroom short life service apartment, finished and furnished. We are going to enjoy a rental income on a monthly basis. So I want you to watch out for that video, because I'm going to give you a well detail about this short life service apartment. You can own with at least 7 friends can own it, and you can also own it as an individual. I enjoy a rental income. So for you to make money in real estate, especially in Lagos, that requires careful planning and early positioning. Positioning is the right key. Reach out to me. Let me assist you if you need a property along the coast or the short life service apartment I just mentioned earlier. But right now, I want you to watch. Enjoy what you're going to see in this video concerning the updates of Lagos Calabar Coastal Road Highway project here at Osoroko in ibeju-Lekki, Lagos, just before Lakampai Tropicana Resort Beach. My name is Obed from Obed Homes. Please, before you pause the video or before you stop the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Recommend this channel to other of your colleagues, investors like you, who also want to see the update as it's going, as long as Lagos Calabar Coastal Road is concerned. Please, I will still keep you updated on other developments concerning Lagos Calabar Coastal Road along this terrain. Once again, Obed is my name. Until then, enjoy your safe.